I'm so glad I could come over. We need to get this whole wedding thing sorted out. Oh, don't look so miserable. This might be an arranged marriage, but I'm your best friend. You can't be that upset about spending the rest of your life with me. Thank you. I'm not that bad. Anyways, we need to discuss the colors for the wedding party. You've always had a good eye for color, so I thought you'd be good for this. Now, I'm thinking... Were you expecting a visitor?
Good evening. Apologies for interrupting, but I was on a walk and wanted to stop by.
It's no problem for us.
It's a pleasure to see you, Adrian. I just wish to tell you I am holding a ball this weekend and wanted to invite the both of you. Wedding plans. It's quite alright if you can't come.
Oh, that's no issue. We can reschedule that. We'd love to come.
That's great to hear. I'll expect you then. Have a good afternoon.
That was nice of him to stop by. Oh, please, why do you hate him so much? He's not trying to steal me. He's being kind. He treats me exactly the same way he treats you. Well, other than... Are you going to hear me out on this, or just continue sulking? If Quinn is trying to stop the wedding, he's going to stop it for you, darling. No. You said you'd listen. Have you not noticed the way he looks at you? How his eyes linger a little too long? If we're ever together and he's speaking to us, he stands next to you. Oh no, you're not escaping this one. You've avoided this far too long. Stop treating him as your enemy. The poor boy is head over heels for you. The least you could do is be nice. We're going to this ball, and you're going to be nice to him. Your neighbors, after all. And, what's that saying about loving thy neighbor?